frizzy, crazy. This is my hair after 1 week. It's dry as fuck and it's extra frizzy all of the time. It's not curly, it's nothing. It's just there to be. Hey, so I'm making an update about the conditioner that I made the last time, and I made some adjustments and some new ideas what to put in your hair to make it less crazy. For what I have now, as you can see, it's very much jello-like, but it's like a pudding. It's the same thickness. Buckwheat, flaxseed and oats for 1 night, and then I cooked them. Is that then I separated the seeds and the gel that they made, and it's really nice gel. It smells very nice. And then I added, of course, guar gummy for eating, but it's for cosmetics. I added it, and this time I put it in separate bowl and just mix it with water, and it actually made really nice thick texture that we are hoping for conditioner. Yeah, from the last time I have it here, but this one is not so, it looks kind of jello-ish. I add also gelatin. All these gels, I think that their expiring date is not very long, so I just keep it in the fridge. And of course I added citric acid, apple cider vinegar, because I didn't have enough citric acid. What else? So gel, some proteinish thing, the chemical for everything to stick together, and scents and oils. I don't use any kind of extra oils like coconut oil. Yeah, I think this is a better version, but I will keep trying until I get my perfect conditioner for this just extra weight.